This car did sit for about 25 years, but the big reason we're talking about it today is obviously it was finished, but it was finished for a reason. You got to stick around for that. So let's go ahead and get into it. Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt, and guys, we are still at Chocolate Fox, but the show is pretty much over. As you can see, most of the Fox bodies have checked out, but that's okay because we still got one more feature for you here today. By the way, Chocolate Fox put on by Fox Mustang Restoration. Great time. We also have Foxtoberfest coming. What we're talking about today is this 1990 hatchback. It actually does have the DECH kit. You guys might remember from Chris from the Infamous Project, we talked a lot about DECH, more of a Canadian thing, but it looks really good on this car. But I'm really excited about the story behind it. So I want to go ahead and bring the owner in here. I'm going to bring him in with some YouTube movie magic. So let's do it like this. Hello, Jeff. Welcome to the channel. Love the car today. Now, this was actually a build done by Blue Sky Performance, is that right? Blue Sky Performance. Okay, so they've also done like the War Admiral car and Foxy Brown Fox, and they do cool builds. Yeah, they spent about a year on this car. We came in with 1990 original owners. It sat for about 25 years. This is my brother's car. You know, raced it down Central Avenue. Did he have it brand new, or like he bought it used, or? He bought it 1 year old. Okay, 1 year old. So he got this in like 91, 92, something like that. Late 1991 this summer. That's when we put the pinstripes on it. You said he used to race it? He used to race it down Central Avenue. This is definitely a car that was known back in Westchester in New York. And then my brother passed away. He was murdered back in '94. This was his baby, and so he loved this car. I was young. I ended up taking it over for a couple of years, but it ended up sitting for about 25 years. Sat in your garage, right? Yeah, sat in our garage. Multiple garages as we moved, and you know, my wife and I decided it was time to get this thing restored. So we called the guys over at Blue Sky and you know, dropped a Coyote Gen 3 in here, did a full restoration, put the DECH kit on it. Yeah, now why the DECH kit, by the way, because that's not very common. Why did you pick the DECH? I'm just curious. We wanted something that was unique and subtle, nothing really too loud or flamboyant, but gave it a real original look. And I like the fact that it's not on many Fox bodies. Yeah, was it originally an LX car? It was originally an LX car. Okay, okay. And you know what, guys? I want to give you a good look at that DECH kit. So let me go ahead, go around the car, do a little cinematic, and then we'll be right back with Jeff. But yeah, my favorite thing about the DECH kit, I don't know what you like, but I love the rear bumper that says DECH. What do you like about it? I mean, it's very unique, but I think this is like the creme de la creme, right? Yeah, me too. I love the cuts out the with the exhaust tips, exhaust pipes, and even on the side. I mean, it's just it's very smooth. A very good texture to the car. And it takes a trained eye. At a first glance, somebody's like, oh, it's just a GT, but you got to look. It's not just a GT. It is a DECH. I love the license plate here. Remember Lou for your brother, right? That's right. Remember my brother Lou. Yep. And again, I want to just go ahead and say on the channel, very sorry for your loss. I know it was a long time ago. It doesn't matter. Brother, you can never replace. So yeah, and you know, this is a great memory to him, a great homage. It's kind of like a tribute, right? That's right. That's right. We got, you know, this is probably the second best tribute we've got. I got my son who's named after him. That's definitely the best. That's our #1 tribute we got to him, but this is definitely something unique. Yep, that's his son right there. That's Lewis, named after Uncle Lewis. That's right. Well, let's do this. The interior on this is ridiculous. Can we just sit inside real quick and talk about a couple things on it? Then we'll get into the engine. I know they all want to see the engine. But all right, let's check out these seats. Originally was red. Now these seats here, these remind me of the War Admiral seats, right? That's right, yeah.
Even in the back, it's pretty cool.
Yeah, well, look at that too. His son definitely likes it, which is totally cool. They did a great job. Now, what did you say the interior was scarlet red before, but what would you call it now?
Tried to keep it as true to the original as possible. So we got the scarlet red on the interior.
The 25th anniversary car too. You realize that? Is this the original? This is a digital dash. Is it Dakota Digital?
It's a digital dash, yeah, Dakota Digital, and we tried to keep it as close to the original as possible.
Oh yeah, what is this for? For the exhaust?
For the exhaust, yeah. So
Get out.
If you need to quiet it down a little bit, we can close it up.
Oh, that's awesome. Okay, and look, your ashtray door works still well.
Yeah.
So, I mean, like, how many original miles do you know?
The odometer stopped around 78,000.
Okay.
So it's definitely over 100.
Over 100 at this point?
Yeah.
What you've been waiting for is right under here. Here we go, Coyote. So he probably had the push rod, right? Originally, obviously.
Yeah.
Did he modify it at all back then? Was it modded?
It was.
Okay.
It was, and you know, I wish I could tell you exactly all the things he did.
It's probably exhaust, pulley, gears, like the simple stuff.
Pulled everything out of it. It had no air conditioning, and the catalytic converter was dropped down.
That was a very common mod.
To make it as fast as possible.
It has air now though, right?
Yep.
Okay. And so you said, I forgot, what Gen Coyote is this?
Gen 3.
Gen 3 Coyote. So you got the latest and greatest, pretty much. That's awesome. All NA. Is it a blast to drive? I think that says it all. I think it is. Has it been on the dyno at all?
No, not yet.
Okay.
It's
coming soon.
It's coming soon.
Okay. All right.
It's getting its final tune-up. It's almost ready. This is actually was unveiled at the show today. So. Okay. This is the big unveiling from Blue Sky. Big unveiling.
That is pretty cool.
The Maker wheels going on it.
That's right. Yeah, let's look at these wheels. You've got the Cobra brakes, it looks like, on this SVE wheels, but you're going to replace this with the Maker's Garage Cobras.
Yeah, they should be here next week, so we missed the show by just a little bit, but we're really excited.
That's okay. These still look good. She looks clean. Now when he did the pinstriping, but I saw this on the hood as well. Did you add this, or did he have that originally too?
He had that original, so it was pinstriped in '91. Hot Summer '91 was definitely a time capsule back to the time.
And did he have the Hot Summer too, or you added that part? Really? So he knew in '91. I mean, that's all. Is it on this side too?
Yep.
Here, that's what we're talking about, guys. Hot Summer '91, and his brother added that back then.
We had this as jet black. Originally, we painted it with a black diamond, so it has this, you know, as the sun hits it, a little bit overcast today, but
yeah,
it has a really nice
sun makes it really pop.
Yeah.
So is that what you call this paint code, black diamond?
Black diamond. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I love that. And actually, it just got unveiled today. Have you really driven it?
No. Yeah. So it's going back to the shop actually for probably another 2 or 3 weeks.
Okay.
It's got to get final tuning, but no, I haven't really opened it up yet. So.
And you dropped it off about a year ago with Blue Sky.
About a year. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Then you got to be pretty excited.
Yeah,
man.
I'm very excited. I think it came out great. It looks beautiful. Really excited to see it.
I think that you know, your son was kind of alluding to it there. Guys, he's really excited about the car, so he's in the video a couple times. He was saying Uncle Lewis probably is watching the video.
Yeah.
So that's pretty cool to hear, right?
Yeah, we had my parents were here. They were over the moon. So
what a great tribute, man.
It was cool weekend, and love to get this car back out on the road.
Awesome. Does it have Instagram or anything like that yet?
Not yet.
Okay, well, you got to start one.
Yeah.
You got to start an Instagram, because then you can share pictures of the car and post it out there. People can follow you. I love Instagram for that. It's a lot different than Facebook. You just put pictures up of the car.
Yeah.
So let's see what we should, guys, leave some comments down below what would be a good Instagram name. Can we get a crank up real quick?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right. What do you think? You like that red? Yeah, it didn't sound like that when Uncle Lou had it.
No, that's for sure.
Yeah, it's a little different.
Yeah.
Well, let us know how the first drive goes. Let us know about the Cobra wheels. We want to see all those things.
Awesome.
But awesome car, man. Thanks for sharing it with the channel.
Man.
Absolutely.
Thanks for
all right, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. Got a little bit of rev. And yeah, you got to hit the like button for Lou, and it's just awesome tribute to his brother. So yeah, that's pretty much it from here at Chocolate Fox. If you enjoyed the video, like I said, hit the like button if you're stopping in for the first time. Please subscribe. We'll see you here next time on Gearhead 704. But what we're talking about today is, year again was the 90?
1990.
90, I remembered.
Yeah.
That is.
So we wanted to pull this perfectly back to the original.
He's actually watching you,
make. You know, it was just a straight black car back in.
He's actually watching. Uncle Lewis is actually watching.
You think so? He's actually watching?
this.
What's your guys' favorite thing about the car? What's your favorite thing?
I like Stripes.
The stripes, yep. And what's your favorite thing about it?
I don't really have one.
Okay.
I just